Gotcha.
I brought the power cord and the controller if you needed it.
Okay.
But yeah, like I'll be playing Dead by Daylight. I get like 2 matches in and it just.
Gotcha. It overheats, shuts off.
Yep, no warning, no nothing. I think the last time it gave me a warning because it got like really laggy.
Mm-hmm.
And then I told my brother the watch was about to cut off on me. As soon as I finished that sentence, it did.
Man. Yeah, hopefully we can get that squared away for you. It probably is just, it needs some more liquid metal on there.
Yeah.
Goes out over time. Hopefully that's all it is. Or maybe just the fan needs blown out or something. Alright, so this customer's having overheating issues. So we're going to open it up and see if it's just a liquid metal thing or maybe something with the fan. right, brother. Yeah, I highly doubt it's the cord. Yeah, I think you're good on
I
that.
doubt it was the cord too.
Yeah.
Because like I said, I had it for 4 years before it started doing anything.
Mm-hmm.
So if it was the cord, I figure it would have been showing up and doing something a lot sooner.
Exactly.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Don't forget your tea. Have a good one, brother.
You too. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed.
Yep, you too.